Viewers, these are the protests coming in from Hyderabad against Waqf. You can see the visuals as to how against Waqf bill. Now, viewers, as you see that the protesters have poured out in the streets of Hyderabad, condemning the Waqf law that was passed by the parliament and received the president's assent last week. And ever since then, we've seen major protests erupting in multiple places across the country. After West Bengal, we are seeing some very aggressive protest over here in the city of Hyderabad. Remember, this is coming soon after in the morning when Asaduddin Owaisi said that there is a lot of anger amongst a certain community against the Waqf bill and there will be protests. And now we have these visuals on your screen, viewers, the protest against the Waqf amendment bill that has now become a law on the streets of Hyderabad, where we can see a sea of protesters have poured out on the streets over there denouncing the Waqf amendment bill and also asking for its repealment, asserting over the fact that this particular law is against the interest of a certain community. Viewers, this has come after the parliament had passed the Waqf amendment bill a couple of weeks back, wherein the bill gotten a majority from both lower house and the upper house. Joining us live on this broadcast is my colleague Aneri. She's reporting live from the spot. Aneri, we're seeing massive protests against the Waqf amendment bill over there. What do these protesters want, Aneri?
Well, what we are seeing is that this protest has been called by the Congress leaders, and there is a rally that is now being taken out towards the Ambedkar statue here in Hyderabad. And also Imran Masood, the Congress member of parliament, is going to lead this protest against the Waqf amendment bill. Remember, the Congress party had opposed this bill in the parliament. They had voted against it. And not only this, but also now earlier in the morning we had seen Asaduddin Owaisi also stating that All India Muslim Personal Law Board along with AIMIM will be staging a protest public meeting on the 19th. But before that, we see that there is a protest call which was given by the party today here in Hyderabad to stage protest against this Waqf amendment bill. And now what we are seeing is that a large number of people have gathered here staging protest against the Waqf bill, Waqf amendment bill. So now we'll have to see how it turns out to be, because remember how we've been seeing how this protest turned into violence in Murshidabad, but now there is a protest which is going on right now in Hyderabad as well, which is called by the Congress leaders, and we'll have to see what is next. But yes, heavy police being deployed at the spot as well.
Well, absolutely, Aneri. Aneri, talk to us about what have been the demands of these protesters, because we've seen how Owaisi has extended his support to the All India Muslim Personal Law Board protest as well, and that protest would also see in attendance Congress, BRS and YSRCP. Do these protests align with that protest of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board?
Well, as far as these opposition parties are concerned, let it be Congress, BRS or YSRCP, they have been opposing this bill in the parliament. They have voted against it. But now when we talk about All India Muslim Personal Law Board extending their invitation to these three parties, but they have been, what we are being told is that these three party representatives will also be a part of the protest that will be held on the 19th at the AIMIM headquarters here in Hyderabad. But before that, right now, as you can see, the Congress party has called for a protest here where we see Imran Masood will be leading this protest march, and also at the same time we have been seeing that they continue to demand that this Waqf amendment bill which is brought in is going to take away the lands of the people and which are being claimed by the Waqf bill, Waqf board. And also not only this, but they continue to question that why other religion people should be a part of that board. Waqf board is a larger question that is being asked. Earlier also we had seen that Asaduddin Owaisi had called this Waqf amendment bill unconstitutional. He had also torn the bill on the floor of the parliament. So now definitely we are seeing protests which have been taking place at various places. First it was Murshidabad. Now we are seeing protests being held in Hyderabad as well. And again on the 19th of April, there will be one more protest that will be led by the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. So we'll have to see what would be the move, but yes, there are PILs which are also being filed in the Supreme Court as well. AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi has already filed a PIL. There are Congress leaders who have filed a PIL in the Supreme Court against this Waqf amendment bill, calling it as unconstitutional.
Yes, absolutely, Aneri. What needs to be seen here is that these protests, what the government has been saying, are emanating out of a certain political agenda. And as the government says that they are against the poor Muslims who will, in fact, benefit out of this new amendment that has been made into a law in the Waqf Act. Aneri, how do you see that?
Well, definitely at some places we have been seeing that this is being welcomed. Many of the Muslim communities have welcomed this move by the Modi government because many people, not only Muslims but many other people whose lands are being claimed by the Waqf the people have been facing a lot of challenge over that. And now when we talk about this bill being brought in, where we see that it's going to be a big relief, but then yes, definitely we see politics also taking place at the same time. On one side, we have been seeing Asaduddin Owaisi, Congress Party, MIM, and also YSRCP, BRS opposing this bill, saying that they are even Asaduddin Owaisi has now challenged Prime Minister that with this bill, will it be that the Sambhal land will not be taken away from them? Or also at the same time, he says that the 49 amendments in this bill are not relevant to the Waqf board. And also at the same time, he continues to question that when it comes to TTD, when it comes to Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, Chandrababu Naidu says that no other religion people will be allowed at the board, but then when it comes to Waqf, then why non-Muslims should be a part of that board? So now definitely a lot of questions are being raised by the opposition leaders, but then it all remains to be seen how it will be, because All India Muslim Personal Law Board had earlier given out their statement where they had stated that they will be staging protests all across the country in the next coming few months, starting where we see that on the 19th there is a protest that is called on in Hyderabad at the AIMIM party headquarters. And not only that, but All India Muslim Personal Law Board representatives from Andhra Pradesh also will be a part of this protest public meeting, which will be taking place. So we'll have to see what would be the further demand by the parties there.
Well, thank you, Aneri, for those details. We'll keep coming back to you as these protests are only aggravating by the day ever since the Waqf Amendment Bill has been passed by the Parliament and received President's assent.